Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now look at that young couple right there. It's a beautiful couple out there in St. Lucia, right? And look at that young lady and that young man. But you know what? St. Lucia definitely have a crisis when it comes to young people and gun and them thing there. Yeah, they look like a nice little couple. Now, that boy right there, that's Killer Pop. And that's the one who is from Bacatel that run So-So and Marlon and the rest of the Bacatel man them. Now, some big things are going on with that little group. Yeah. As a parent, me nah lie, it really hurts when you grow your kids and you put everything in for them come out properly. But where them end up though, them come out in a different kind of way. Now, me I go show you some picture. Now, look at that picture. Beautiful couple, isn't it? Well, take a look at this. Now, looking at this, you see both the picture. Look to the left, that's them as a couple. And then to the right, look what they have in them hand. So guess what? I am gonna change this couple name. And I am gonna call this young lady here Harley Quinn. And I am gonna call Killer Pop Mr. J Puddin. Now, if you watch Batman, you will know that Harley Quinn, her nickname for the Joker is Mr. J Puddin. So I'm gonna label them as the St. Lucia, Harley Quinn, and the Joker, aka Killer Pop, aka Denzel, and the name I just gave him, Mr. J Puddin. Now I know I still haven't really talked about what this young lady and Killer Pops got going on as it pertaining to Bacatel, Marlon, and the whole works. But I am just obsessed with this young couple, the love for guns and the love for mayhem, and it just keeps on popping out to me like, yo, this is Mr. J Puddin, the Joker, and Harley Quinn. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys and gals and viewers and subscribers what part this lady play with this guy here, Mr. J Puddin, aka Pops, Killer Pop. Now, with Mr. J Puddin, because Bacatel get hot, and maybe me tell you in this video, or maybe another video, but he had to leave Bacatel and head to Viewfort, and Harley Quinn is from Viewfort. Her name is Crystal, you understand? And she is from Viewfort, and that is where this guy right here is hiding out. Now, I speak to a bigger issue, and I mentioned that in the beginning of this video. It just seems like these young ladies in St. Lucia is attracted to all of these guys who are gunmen. And it is crazy. It just seems like it's a phenomenon going on out there in St. Lucia, because you had the one with the big machine and them kill she, one brown skin girl, yeah, all sort of things you see popping up across the web, right across the platform. So I am saying to myself, what the hell is going on with these young people down there in St. Lucia? Before I go any further, I'm gonna let you guys know this will be a part 1 of Mr. J Puddin and Quinn. Now, I am not gonna disclose everything in this video, but like I said earlier, some stuff jump off in Bacatel, and now he's out of town in a view fort hanging with Quinn, and I'm gonna explain all of that in the next video, which I'm gonna let y'all meet some new players and add to this story in the part 2. But before I move on, let me show you guys this picture right here and talk about it. Now, just imagine you see your daughter posing with a picture like this out there floating around. You understand? Look at the right picture, you know. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You see what she have in her hand? Him and her, that's, like we say, Mr. J Puddin Pops, Denzel from Bacatel. And look what the young lady have. And this is the picture. When I saw this picture, I said this is Quinn and Mr. J Puddin, aka the Joker. And this is not a joke. This is straight serious stuff. You understand? And usually I would be chastising and ask the authority to address certain things, but these are young women and it just seems like they need some guidance. So the system have to do something to reach out to these young people, because listen, I'm looking at this picture and this picture is very, very upsetting to me. You understand? Very upsetting. Now that's her, and like me say, Mr. J Puddin, the gunman from outer Bacatel, who are hide out with her. And there will be a part 2, because you have some other players in this, and I decided that I am gonna do this video, even though it's not that long, in 2 parts or 3 parts. And you know, very, very, very sad, and I'm really upset about this picture. So listen, I want y'all stay tuned to the channel, and I hope the authorities them can really do something to get this kind of scourge out of the system, because this does not look good. And I know people are gonna blame me, Countryman, but I am just bringing the facts. You understand? Listen, stay tuned to the next video. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.